which is a fraction. Okay, very good. So today we're going to elaborate on that a little bit more, and we're actually going to use a task to investigate rate of change and slope. So we're going to take it just a little bit further, and we're actually going to use triangles, similar triangles. What do I mean by similar? What do I mean by similar? Tran?
They're proportional.
They're proportional. What does proportional mean?
That if you enlarged it, it would be the same as the other triangle. If you shrank it, it'd be the same as the other side.
Okay, very good explanation. So we're going to see why similar triangles is going to help us explain why slope is the same between any two distinct points on a non-vertical line. Show me with your hands, what does vertical look like? What does vertical look like? Show me with your arms. Is it like this or is it like this? What's vertical? So it's straight up and down. So anything that's non-vertical, which means it's not going to be straight up and down, we can see how the distance between any 2 points on that non-vertical line is going to be the same. Then from that, we're going to derive the equation y equals mx for a line that goes through the origin. Who can tell me where the origin is? Where's the origin? Taylor, where's the origin?
Right where the x and y axis meet, right in the middle.
So that ordered pair is going to be what?
0, 0.
0, 0. Very good. So at the origin, it's just going to be y equals mx. And for a line that's not through the origin, it's going to be y equals mx plus b. How many like music? How many like music? I like music. What are some ways or places that we use music or sing music or hear music? What are some different places that we would have music?
In your car.
In your car, just riding around, listening in your car. What's another place?
In an elevator.
In an elevator, when you're sitting in the elevator here, do. Taylor, what's another?
At home.
Just at home, okay. What were you gonna say?
At a dance.
At a dance. Sometimes we have school dances.
When you go shopping, a lot of stores play music.
Very good. At stores, a lot of times they'll have music. Well, we're not going to talk directly about music, but how many of you all buy CDs sometimes? Y'all buy CDs? Okay. So we're going to look at how, on a graph, how we can relate the price of CDs, and they're not always the same price, but we're going to just give like an average price of a CD versus how many CDs you may purchase or you may have. So we're going to use that to do a little investigation. And in our investigation today, we're going to have several different segments. First, when I pass out the task that we're going to work on, I'm going to give you a few minutes of private think time. That just means that for the first few minutes, for 5 minutes, I just want you to kind of look at the sheet, answer the first few questions, and just kind of see what you can think about on your own. And then after we have that private think time, we're going to then get in our small groups that you're already in, and y'all are going to discuss what you've already found on your own, and then you're going to further finish that worksheet. Then, and I don't have this on here, but from that small group work, we're going to add 10 more minutes, and that's when I'm going to give you a chance to put your findings on the larger posters that you're going to share with the whole group class at the end that we'll discuss in the last 10 minutes. Okay? Are there any questions right now as far as what we're going to be doing today? Okay, I'm first going to go ahead and pass these out to the groups. And I just want you to go ahead and put your name and date on this. There you go. Just make sure everybody in your group gets one. Task. It's called Music is a Must. It says the